Hey Just Squad, it's Faithy. So, I want to welcome all the new people that have clicked on this video. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel please. I'm trying to get to 50 or 100 by July 12th. So, if you can help me reach my goal, that's great. I want to make sure that you know my friends. Over here, you can check all of them out, and then suggested videos, so on and so on. Anyway, onto the subject. We are going to be making friendship bracelets, or beaded bracelets, whatever you want to call them. Pretty sure that's the right way. So, this is what your beaded bracelet can look like. I don't know if that's backwards or not, because it's a mirror, so maybe it's forwards. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. So this is what it could look like. It's BFF with my friend, with my best friend forever. Just saying. Shout out to you. So basically, I really like this technique of bracelet because it's not so hard once you get the hang of it. Sometimes I would lose the beads or like it would break, but yeah, the stuff I'm gonna be able to show you shouldn't happen. So let's get on with the video. So first thing you're gonna need are some beads, some string, and some scissors. Now we have all of our pairs of two. Let's just close that up. I decided not to do any of letter beads for this one. I just wanted to make it a regular plain bead bracelet. So first thing you're gonna want to do is take your string, make a loop, stretch it, and a knot. You're going to do that 2 to 3 times, and it doesn't matter if it looks weird, just as long as it will block off a bead. It will be cut off later, so that's what. Okay, so I think that will be good. I'm gonna do it one more time, just in case. I'll insert music. You're probably dead. So now, take one bead, doesn't matter what bead. I'm gonna take this small pink bead, just slip it in there. Like that. Now you strung your first bead. Now take your second bead. I choose this one. Clear blue bead. String it on. Now just keep doing that until you get all of your beads. This is a pretty basic step. When you get to the middle, you can measure it and see how many beads you have until you got to the letters. And then that could be totally even. So, but that's just all up to you. Is take your scissors and cut right before the knot. take the string that you just cut and the string on the other side and knot it 2 to 3 times. 1, 2. So now cut it down just a couple inches down so that it won't break. If you want, you can cut it smaller like that, which is good. It won't break as long as you just don't go all the way down. And now you can take your beads like this, set one in there, and one in there. There you go! You got yourself a beaded bracelet. Perfecto. This is what it'll look like if you put it on. I'm just being super delicate because you don't really want to stretch it. So take note that all the beads, the string, everything was passed down from my sister. You can go check out her channel. I did it in the beginning and I'll do it in the end. The beads were from her, the string, and the string is stretchy string, so it will fit you. Now the only thing is back here, it might gap, but that's okay because it looks kind of cool. So anyways, there you go. And now for the end credits. So, there you go. Your beaded bracelet tutorial. You can show these off to your friends. You can get one with your friend. You can make one from the heart. Cute, amazing, yes. Make sure to check out my other videos and my friends up there. And also, I'm looking for names to call you guys. So I had a couple ideas, Justinators, Just Squad, stuff like that. Anyways, comment down below what your ideas are, and I will do a hand pick, a raffle, lottery, whatever. Call it what you may, a hand pick idea, lottery thing. Clueless. Hey. So yeah, make sure to give this video a good thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As I said before, 50 to 100 subscribers by July 12th. It's totally okay if we don't get there, but that's cool. So I will leave links to my friends and my second channel down below. I will be posting on my second channel soon. Soon, I promise. Pinky promise. Anyways, see ya guys. Love ya. Kisses. See ya.